In our last video of e-commerce marketplace we saw how a vendor can add multiple stock locations via fulfillment settings and add multiple products in the inventory. In this video, we will understand how the multiple shipments and cancellation in an e-commerce marketplace work. When a buyer orders products, it can be shipped from different locations and from different vendors. It's important to understand that shipment is a subset of an order. Shipment depends on the product location from where it will be dispatched. One order can have multiple shipments and one shipment can have multiple products. You will get a clear understanding as we proceed with the video. First we log into buyer's account and proceed to visit site to make an order. Here let's say we order two different products from vendor ABC and one product with multiple quantities from vendor XYZ. Selected products will be added to the cart. You can clearly see the vendor name during checkout. Click on checkout. Confirm the billing address. After confirming your billing address, you'll be taken to the delivery page. Here as you can see there are two different shipments created. This is because the order is being made from different vendors. Also you can see multiple options available for shipping methods. The shipping methods are configurable through admin panel. Now click save and continue. Complete the checkout by making payment. And you are done making your order. On this screen you can see your ordered products, billing address, shipping address. And since we have placed orders from multiple vendors, their respective shipping location and shipment is shown as well. And in the end payment method used to checkout, the buyer can check their recent orders in My Orders. And when the buyer clicks on the order number, the product name and their respective vendors and shipping location is displayed. Now for the next process. Log into vendor's account. This is the vendor's account. The respective vendors would be notified about the new order placed with them. The respective vendors will be able to see only the products ordered from them. The products ordered by the same buyer from the different vendors will not be visible. So, if a vendor goes to all orders, they can check what order the buyer has placed with them. They can click on the order number. Although the buyer ordered multiple products, there will be only one tracking number because the products will be dispatched from the same stock location. The buyer will receive two tracking numbers because the order has been placed with two different vendors. So this was the order process. Now let's see how cancellation works in terms of multiple shipments. Let's log back into the buyer's account. The buyer can see the products ordered. With every item ordered, there is an option to cancel it. Simply click on cancel, add the reason, and continue. The vendor will receive the cancel request. Go to orders and then cancel the request. The vendor can approve or reject the cancellation request. If the vendor approves the request, the option to refund that particular order will be available. To refund, the vendor simply needs to click on the refund option and it's done. In the cancelled order, you can see that the specifically cancelled item has been refunded. The buyer too will be able to see the status. For this, go to cancelled order and click on order number. Click on status detail and you can see that the item has been cancelled and the amount refunded by the vendor. Remember, a buyer has the option to cancel an item until there is no tracking number defined on the order. In case the vendor has assigned a tracking number to the order, then the buyer needs to contact the vendor to cancel the item. The buyer can't cancel the order directly in this case. You will observe the option cancel item is longer available. Instead, you have the option return item. This is because the vendor has assigned the tracking number, which means the order has been shipped. This is in case of ABC vendor. As vendor XYZ still hasn't assigned a tracking number, you still have the option to cancel item. This is how the multiple shipments and cancellations work in an e-commerce marketplace. If you have any queries, visit our website W3villa.com or send us an email at contact@W3villa.com.